Alright, we're doing a PRL intake on the 1.5 turbo. Show you guys real quick what's up. This goes this way.
Where's Adrian?
Oh, my boy Carlo. He does rapping.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta go for what?
Yes, sir. He does rapping.
Hey.
You guys can DM him.
There you go.
I'll put his info. Yo, where's your business card at? Bring it over. I'm putting my macho over here, bro. I'll put it right here. We'll just use one of these. There you go. So I'll just kind of give it a snug here for now so it doesn't like go crazy all over the place. And that's gotta come off. This one and the bottom one's gotta come off. It's super hot in here. It's like 95 degrees out today, fam. Wow, I'm bad at this now. It's been a while that I've touched the 1.5 intake. Do you even have the socket for this? Whatever. Don't tell me to be a date. Alright, that works. Make sure you guys grab it so you don't drop it. Yeah, inspection will be good. Whatever. I'm gonna use. Where's my a ratchet for this thing. Damn it. All right, we're back in business. I found it. Let's get to the bottom one. Nice. Rest, you could just do it. By hand. If you have a magnetic tool, you could grab it with that. If not, just be careful not to drop it. Here it is. Look at that. Right there. Wow. Super hot. I dropped it only because it's hot in here, man. It's ridiculous.
Adrian.
Yo, Carlo, where's your card at? Yo, super hot. I'm gonna grab a plier because it's hot.
Was there anybody in the UPS?
Yes. Perfect. My brother put it. The UPS package is a brown package. Oh, here it is. What do you do?
Oh, here it is. Found it.
There you guys go.
I'm updating
Instagram,
my phone.
email, phone,
I'm updating my phone. It says
QR code. Alright, that's fine. They'll hit you up on Instagram. Does PPF, wraps. Oh boy. Where'd it go? There it is. I thought I lost it. Yo, this is crazy. Wow. Just wow, guys. Check this out. It dropped all the way in the bottom. You guys believe this stuff? It happens only when it's on camera. That's ridiculous. That is just phenomenal what just happened. Alright, this one's got to come off. Actually, this whole piece got to come off, so we're not too worried about this. And keep this here for now. Of course not. I want to spin. That's odd. No wonder. That's a 10 millimeter right here. Alright, so far that's done. That's loose. This is also loose. This is loose. That's gotta come off. So, flathead. Yep. Yeah, just gotta take this off so I can take this piece out. Out. Flathead. Brody, you good? You good? Oh, you already finished your drink? Wow. What was that? Oh, probably a bowl from the bottom. That's fine. That is no issues. Squeeze the pliers in there. I'm gonna keep it safe in here for now so we don't lose it. All right, this piece got to come out. Stock parts coming out. Thank you. This bolt's got to come off. This piece is useless. Yep, you guys know these are fragile. They break just like that on their own. Stupid clips. Look at that, they just cracked in half on it. Wow. No matter how slow you are with them, like working slowly with this stuff, it just still cracks. Come on. Break that. Last one. Oh boy, not me, Nikki. Not me.
All over you.
Not me, please.
All over you.
No one bother you.
Eat you.
I won't bother you again.
There's not even gonna be any bones left.
They're not dogs, bro. They're like beasts. They're something else, man. Once they jump on you, forget it. Mm.
I'll have to explain to your family that you got eaten. Nothing left to bury.
Yeah, right?
They'll be pooping you out for weeks.
Yeah, it's messed up. That is messed up. All right, next up, we got these 10 millimeters, 1 and 2. And it's got to come out this way. This could be out.
What'd you break?
Nothing.
Sure.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know if I believe that.
That's odd. I think this intake's coming all the way to here. Yep. It's going all the way to here. Oh, that's crazy. Meet that 10 again. That does it. Yeah, this is like a pain, guys, so be careful taking this off because it needs some good amount of pressure to take this thing off. That there's like a rubber piece in there. It's like a grommet that's like trapped in there. Once it's loose, there you go. Whew. Comes out just like that. Now this is over. This is over. Now I gotta transfer these pieces. Oh, this is what I felt earlier. Just this bracket that's gotta be transferred onto this piece. I assume somewhere, I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. Well, yeah, it's got to get transferred to hold it down, I believe. Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll see. One step at a time, fam. Let's go one step at a time. Gonna use a perfect. Now that we got this, we can put it, yeah. All right, so it's in there. This is for the bracket, and yeah, there's just one bracket here, pretty much. All I see is 2 bolts. This is for the cover on the side, which we gotta close now. We gotta close that now. And that's for the bracket. So let's see which way the bracket goes. Which way would it go? Let's say the intake is there. Cover that in. All right, so what we got done here is basically we put these intakes inside. Put these screws in there. Make sure you tighten up this right here. So if you look at the picture what's going on here, you could probably figure it out what to do when you're doing it yourself. Basically, you got the 10 millimeter here, you got a 10 millimeter there. You got to tighten that spot up. Make sure this is tight. That's tight. These two, this is a bracket which is provided. 2 bolts go in there. Make sure this is tight as well. Once you remove this big piece, just literally just put it back over here in this adapter. Put the bottom one in and top one. We're good to go on this part. So straight up here, and then make sure you guys tighten this up over here. I didn't make it tight yet. Still got to work on it. Make it a little bit loose so I could center it properly. Like so, and then we'll just make it tight. That's tight. That's not going nowhere. And make sure you guys don't lose this Allen key. I'll show you guys how long this is, so just in case, this is how long it is. So if you keep spinning, make sure you guys do it slow, not too fast, because very less thread on this. Just like that. All right, put it on the side so you don't lose it. And we'll grab that the map sensor right there. We'll transfer it on just like that. Make sure the arrow is pointing that way. Make this tight. Hand tight it and plug that in. Second one was here. Yep, we've got it. Lines up. Make sure you guys hand tight this piece up. I'll do that right now. And then yeah, just give it 2 tabs as provided. Put those 2 tabs in, we're good to go. And literally just start it up and give it a few revs. Make sure there's no leaks and we're good to go. Double check or triple check each bolts that should be tightened, and all this whatever screws there and a 10 millimeter there. And that's it for him. Peace out till next time. All right, we'll start it. Give it a run.